Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's take a quick look at pound yen. We actually need to be quick because we have retail sales in 30 seconds. Okay. Well, GJ had a nice pullback yesterday from these daily resistance levels. Daily today is currently bearish. 4 hours bullish. We did have a break and retest. So of this resistance level here, price pushed up and it's come back and retest. Now we have news, so we could potentially keep bouncing off or respect the support, or price could drop. We'll see. But let's see. Yeah, we respected this daily resistance. Pulled down. 4 hour. Is that a daily level? Yeah, previous daily resistance here. Not very high impact. It's a daily. I'll take that off. If anything, I'm looking for a retest of this. So this resistance turned into support now. So I'm going to leave that marked how it is. I had that marked from yesterday. Yeah, I'll leave that how that is. Nothing much really going on with this news. Good, just simple price action today. Take a look at gold. Start again. Okay, daily candle open 94.18. Four hour, looks like we have a continuation pattern. 4 hours breaking the high. Just put this 4 hour resistance. I'm gonna box it off. Got 4 hour resistance. I'm going to leave this because it's a daily key level and it's right above, so I'll leave that there. To be honest, gold looks like a closure above. To continue up, if it breaks this high, pip stop loss. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in here. Take a little entry. Got the closure above. 4 hour continuation pattern up. Clean range to the left. When the 7 o'clock candle closes, I'll reduce my risk. early one here. Perfect, nearly at 20 pips. Move my stop loss up from now. I don't want it to retrace all this way. Okay, 20 pips. Go on, keep pushing. I'm gonna lock in 20%, I mean 80% at 20 pips. Got a top wick for this candle yesterday. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to close partials here. I'm going to secure 80% here. Goes 8% here and move my stop loss to break even. Nice early one today. Gold's doing this thing. See what pound yen's doing. Nothing. I mean, pound yen could just range all day. So yesterday, on the stream was waiting for the structure. So this is what we had yesterday. So I was waiting for a resistance and a support. So if support held, I was looking for the buyers back up. So we got this support here, but price didn't push up, break the high to continue up. Instead, we had this bearish candle and push down. We broke the low, but it was barely a closure below. And I kind of wanted to clear this wick or get a good body to fill this wick before I looked for any sells. Anyway, the candle closed like this, pushed back up, and then yeah, came back down to this support, finally broke, and then yeah, just dropped. It dropped like over 100 pips. So it pretty much retraced quite a lot of this push up. And as you can see, we've come back down to the resistance that was broken. Now it looks like price is holding here. Looks like price is holding at this broken resistance. What's that resistance? That's a support. Oh, let me put the daily in. I haven't moved this. Daily is currently bearish. 4 hours weak bullish. Let's check on this gold trade. Still looks good to continue up, to be fair. We've got a new 15-minute candle about to open. See if we can survive the bottom wick. That's a very easy trade. Closure above. Wasn't at the charts for this candle here, but entry candle did retest the broken resistance, which is beautiful. Push back up, so I took the break of this high. Clean range to the left. Daily's bullish. 4 hour, got a nice continuation pattern going on here. Very nice simple trade this morning. Just need this runner to continue now. Oh, boo. Runner got stopped out. But it's a very nice trade to start the day. Was aiming for this resistance up here. It's very ambitious, but you know, clean range. Nice little trade to end the trading year. W trades. Yeah, man, it's been a while. It's been a while. And this is what gold will do. Stop me out and keep running. Okay, while gold is doing its thing, it's crazy getting the gold trade when pound yen is the one with the news. But we've got this nothing movement right here. Let's change the winds. Oh, look at that. Could actually have taken another entry. Should have. I think this thing's gonna run. Keep pushing up. We've got a nice daily support. Yeah, I think it will trade some of this, a bit more of this candle. But we'll see there's news later for gold as well. It's not retail sales, it's what was it? PCE index. That could be bearish. At this point, get a closure above £1 yen, could get the buyers up. To this resistance. If not, Still have a clean range down, although this old resistance is there. It's been tapped a couple times. Yeah, I think I'd need a closure below this resistance. If it didn't have these long wicks that would tap in this area, then I would have a support right here. But because this is where price came down and sort of tapped, I need a closure below. I mean, pound yen kind of looks better for the sells, to be honest. It does like to have a little Friday sell-off. Yeah, if this 4-hour flips bearish, the sells look very good. And that would be around here. 4-hour candle opened, 6 o'clock. More gold buys. For gold now, I need some more structure because we've already had this push up, so I need little resistance, little support, and more of a push. But let's see, like this 15-minute doesn't look like it wants to continue up. Sort of tapped, not even tapped the previous high, but it hasn't broken it. So let's see, if it holds, I think we might get a pullback sooner rather than later. Take this off because this is deceiving, but it's one early win. Gold 15, to me it just doesn't look like it wants to continue up just yet. Like 2 long top wicks. That's what pound yen's doing over here. Saw it pushing up, thought maybe it broken the high. Nope. Now, if this resistance wasn't here and pound yen closed like this, it would look like a nice continuation. Let's see how this new 30-minute candle plays out. The pound yen continuation pattern could play out. So it would need to break this high, form a nice long bullish candle. Yeah, the reason I don't like it is just because there's a resistance right here. If there was no resistance, then I would have been taking a break of this high. But if it does play out, then it's something I'll just put in my journal and maybe look at how many times it happens. And if it happens often enough and it's a win, then I'll start taking it. You like it? Okay. I mean, if it breaks the highs for you, price to clear 19643. So, well, okay, this wick, basically. That makes sense. Look at gold. I just had a feeling it weren't gonna continue up. When this 15-minute didn't break the previous high and it left these two top wicks, that's when the buys up started to, it didn't look as good. Definitely not. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold though. Okay, so yeah, that's why I didn't like them buys, because this obviously is resistance. And the resistance can hold. Maybe it's just making a bottom wick. What gold's doing. Gold closing back in the range, or pushing down, I should say. It's got a while till it closes. Yeah, I think we might get a trade on pound to yen before we get another trade on gold. Like, for more buys on gold now, I need a support that I can buy from. Pound yen, I just need a closure. So gold is more of a, I need two candles. How did I do yesterday? Do you know what? I took a trade off the stream, like just after the stream ended. So I took a trade. So where was price? Yeah, I streamed this, and then I got off around. Where did I get off? Around 1:30ish. So I took a sell. I can't remember which candle it was. It was one of these actually, because I remember this candle stopped me out. It took out my runner. So I took a trade. Where was it? It was here. Break of this low. So what happened is the news pushed the price right down, didn't create a top wick. And then I got off the stream. and it pulled up, made a top wick, and then I took a sell right here, and I got out. What did I get out? It was about here. It was higher. It's about 50 pips. Yeah. So initially, I think the stop loss was a little bit smaller. So yeah, got about 50 pips yesterday. And then I left the runner, and then the runner got stopped out by this lovely candle here, wicked up, and then it fell. Another 70 pips. So yeah, a little 50 pip trade. But I spoke about it in the Discord. I said if price re-breaks the low, I'm gonna get in, and that's exactly what I did. And I think yesterday, was it gold buys? I did take some gold buys as well, but that was off the stream. That was in the morning. It was here, this closure above. Caught some of this up. Yeah, this day was a decent day. Nice work. How much is $50 in pips? Works out, because my money's in dollars, works out about £400. Yeah, about £400. Something like that, maybe three and change, just under £400. Something like that. Pound yen is not looking like it wants to push up just yet. That must feel so good. Yeah, it's alright, I guess. It's a living, isn't it? It's alright, can't complain. Anything more than I used to make at my daily wage is good, but it's not wins every day. Sometimes there's no trades. Do you know what I mean? So it's less than my weekly wage, old weekly wage, but it's, you know, more than what I would have made in one day of work. So I look at it like that, and obviously percentage against my account. Those are things that I more pay attention to. How much I've made in a week is a percentage, because yeah, it's not always wins. Okay, gold. What percent do you risk? I risk up to like 2-3% per trade. but I go for 1-to-1 at least, minimum 1-to-1 risk reward. I don't like a negative risk reward. GJ's just ranging. Seems so. Like it looked like it was going to be a continuation to the upsides, but 15-minute looks like a continuation to the downside. Those respecting the previous lows. Gold looks like it wants to flip and drive up. It's not looking good for anything, for buys or the sells. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold blessed us a little bit this morning. Okay, gold looks good to continue up. Don't know why I had to do that big wick down first. Pound yen not looking good. I mean, look, where was the trade? The trade was here. So imagine close 20 pips, this gold buy. It was just such a perfect place to get out. And because of pullbacks like this is why I take money off the table. At the minimum I can usually get out of a trade, especially when scalping, is like 10 to 20 pips. So that's why I always lock in them positions. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, I've taken 10 to 20 pips away. Now on the odd occasion, I'll get the big move. Yeah, break of the 4-hour high. It's definitely looking good to push up some more. There might be some more buys on gold if it closes like this. How big would the stop loss be? Maybe go for a re-entry. No, I'll wait. I need to see better structure, to be honest. It's not really the support I wanted. See if pound yen breaks this level. Sure, the 4 hours just flipped bearish. Yep. Look at these 4-hour candles just pulling back. What if GJ closes below 19596? The reason that I didn't put a support here is because of these wicks. It's literally just because of these wicks. So this is like, to me here, it's obviously like a little rejection area. And it's this resistance. So it's like a resistance turn support. So I think this is where price is holding down here, rather than this box, rather than this 196, this support here. So I'd need price to close below this resistance, and then I'll be looking for the sell down. So that, yeah, not there, but below there. I want it to kind of clear the wicks a bit more. But that's just me. It's obviously quite a strong level, because look how much it held previously. You know, quite a few taps, pushed away from this area quite a few times. And then obviously today now, come back down and rejected this area a few times, so need a good candle closure as a confirmation. So yeah, just gotta wait for that. I've got to wait for that. If you like it, then take it. Is it rude to ask someone how much they have in their live account? You need so much money. Decent amount, 2%, 20k at 2%. It's like 400. I mean, it's not rude. It's just, I don't know. Why do you need someone to tell you how much they have in their account? Is it going to make a difference to how much you have in your account? If I tell you I had 50k in my account, how is that going to help you? Are you able to put 50k in your account? I think what you should focus on is getting your money up to build your account up. So it looks like this area might be holding. Trying to figure out what I need to be able to with 2% and be able to make decent trades. Once it's that time, I guess I have that cash separated and sold home. You're still in the learning phase, right? So if you're just learning, you definitely need to get used to losing money. So regardless of how much you have to put in your account, start with something small, like £1,000, $1,000, whatever you trade in. Start with like 1,000. Get used to trading that. Get used to losing some of that. And then you can worry about funding your account. But you need to be able to figure out your lot sizes, what your strategy is, how you're going to manage risk, all of that. Yeah, you still, even if you know how to trade, like trading on demo is not the same as trading real money, trust me. People think, oh, I've made good results on demo trading. That doesn't mean anything until you put your real money in. So yeah, start with 1,000. Work your 2%. Get some consistent profits. So this support is holding. Lovely, lovely. I've never demo traded yet. So yeah, you got a long way to go. Or even if you're demo trading, trade with how much you want to trade in your live account. So if you've got 10k that you want to put in, demo trade with 10k. Figure out your sizes, your risk, your strategy, all of that. See how it works with the 10k, how much you're able to make. Then put your money in. I won't actually put a trade because I don't want to start bad emotional habits. Yeah, I understand. But I mean, if you're looking at stuff and you're not actually taking trades, how are you going to build up that confidence, that knowledge? Wow, look how gold closed. Yeah, gold don't look good for me yet. Look at this structure. It's not very nice. Oh God. How long have you been learning to trade? I don't think that question's for me. I'm looking at pound yen and nothing's happening, but gold is pushing again. Alright, gold's playing. Okay, pound yen, we dropping. What are we doing? What are the results of that retail sales news actually? Let me look. Forex factory. So retail sales. Oh. So forecast was 0.5% and it came out 0.2%. So bad numbers. Bad numbers. Wasn't very high impact though. Where's the news candle? This was the news candle. Pushed down a bit. Came back up. Looks like we might continue down on gold, on GJ. Daily's bearish. 4 hour is bearish. Break this 4 hour low. Close up in this range. We're good for some sells, at least 50 pips down to this next support. Retrace this whole push. It's at 300 pips up, 300 pips back down. Oh, one sec, I'll be back. Looks like that area might be holding. Look at pound yen. Yeah, this is a proper rejection area right here. So daily's bullish again. I do kind of like the buys more than the sells on pound yen. I agree, 10 months, but are you learning full time? Like, how much time are you actually spending, like, learning to trade? And what is it you're looking at? You're just watching videos on YouTube? You on baby pips? Are you following someone, copying their trades, learning their strategies? Go on, gold, fly. Gold looks better than pound yen right now. Just don't have that structure I needed. It's a shame. Gold, if it breaks this high, I think we'll get more of a push. Two pips. I'm tempted. I'm very tempted. Nah, I'm not tempted. I see these wicks to the left. Come on, pound down, we're playing that only 15-minute candle. Okay, so chilling right now. Not sure if we'll get any more trades this session. Because even though gold's up here, the structure's not nice at all. Still need a bounce. So I need this is what I need. Something like that. This price action, pull back. And I could take a buy from like here or another closure above. Pound yen, I just need a closure above or below. Gold is still not breaking this high. Once it breaks this high, it should pop, really. Yeah, I still don't want to take anything just here. I already got this entry. Go on, break the high, pop. I'm gonna get any more trades. Ideally, I would like this 30-minute candle to push up 20 pips and close above this resistance in the last 5 minutes of this candle, and then I can take the closure above at 8:30. But I think that's wishful thinking at this point. This looks like it wants to range. Only good thing about this structure is this support area, this rejection area is holding. But once we get a breakout, it should be a nice push. You know, the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. But we've been bouncing around this range for, let's make it easier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So we should get a push in either direction. Gold did not want to push up. One. Alright, 8:30 candle. What are we about to do? Wow. Just push straight up. Alright, go and push, break up out this range. let's go. This is perfect. Form a little resistance, then give me a support. Yeah, gold nothing just yet. Oh, gold. Looks like a continuation pattern. It does look like a continuation pattern, to be fair. It actually does. And I like that this bearish candle has broken it up a little bit. I think gold does look good to continue up. It does indeed. Wicks on gold, it's not looking nice, these wicks. It's just too wicky without the structure. Like if it was a cleaner uptrend structure, it would look better. But look at this, rejection candle, got a little support, another little support, little resistance. It's just not clean. Let me change that. Okay, finally gonna get a closure above. Go on, push. We still have 20 minutes left to this candle. Got a nice start. Be great to have a nice little start. Gold's coming down. Look at these 1 hour candles. Talk about range. Just solid bodies next to each other. Come on. This is going to be the breakout one. good. Excellent, excellent. To stay above here for the next 2 minutes. This M15 closure looks perfect. It does, Benny, it does. If only if it was the 30 minutes, it would look even better. No, I hope this 15 does close above. And then the next 15, I hope that closes above. So I can get in on the next 30. Go on. Don't reject. Come on, 15. Don't close back in this range. Even if it does, I still have the next 15-minute candle to wait for, but you know, closing above now would be a nice start. It would be. Oh wow, didn't get that closure, still in the range. See what gold's doing on the 15. Chilling as well. I think them gold buys that we got were at the perfect time. They were at the perfect time. Because being in a trade with all this happening here, it's very annoying. terrible. 30-minute looks terrible. So we've got these rejection wicks. Oh, do you know what? I think I'm gonna leave it here. Taking a little 20 pips on gold this morning. I know it's there's not always trades every morning, but obviously missed yesterday morning and we had these rockets happening. I think even gold had a move yesterday. First thing. Yep. 2 potential buyers missed yesterday. Well, for the stream, I should say. And then we had a nice early trade today. This closure above. So I mean, if you do show up every day, you will catch a move at some point. Even if it's not on the stream, even if it's for yourself, stay consistent. That's the only way you'll win. That consistency. But what I'm looking for the rest of the session would be either a closure above this resistance for the buyers up. I'll be targeting this resistance here at 197.08. I'll potentially look at what price does if it gets to 196.685, which was a previous support. That's if we break above. Alternatively, for sells, I need a closure below this previous resistance. As you can see, price came down many times. It's tapped this area, this zone, and then it's pushed back up. That is kind of why I'm more inclined for the buyers. But yeah, if it closes below, then I'm looking for price to come down to this next support. It also means the daily and 4-hour are both bearish. On gold, I'm just waiting for structure. We've got a resistance. I want a bit more of a pullback, and then I need a support, and I'll most likely buy from the support because the daily is bullish, 4-hour is bullish, and got this nice 4-hour continuation pattern going on, which is one of the confirmations and one of the reasons I did get into the buyers earlier. But that's what I'll be looking for. So yeah, if I do see anything, I'll pop up in the Discords. If I'm looking to, well, if I see a nice setup, if I get a closure or something, I'll let you guys know. But if I don't come back for NY, I haven't decided yet. I'm going to see what the market's looking like first. If I think it's just going to range to the end of the day, then I probably won't stream. But I think there might be a potential move, and I'll be back. But yeah, I'm out.